Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to build app without code on Retool tutorial for beginners. So first, go to retool.com and sign in or sign up for your account. After that, you will be directed here on your dashboard. As you can see here, I'm on the app. You can create an app by clicking on this one. You can either create from Scratch or create from template. Let's try with Scratch. If you click on app, you will create an app from Scratch which is this blank page. Now you can add some image, key value, table, text. You can see all you want, all you need here on this site. Components. Here you can add pages, some components you can code, but it is without a code, so we're not using that. State, history, and settings. Now let's go back to home. If you just want to make a simple app, click on create and start from a template. Here is some basic template. You have your basic template, AI chat, S3 file explorer, QR code generator, charts, Firebase, admin panel, customer support tool, and many others. Let's try this customer support tool. Click on create app from template. Now let's just wait for it to load up. Now here you go. I have it. You can edit it by clicking on it. You can click on that. Here you can edit it. You can enable, disable, rewrite this thing, edit the text. After that, you can share it or play it if you want. Let's try the app. Here's the app. Now I can interact with this thing. Look at this one. There you go. You can enable it, disable it. And that's basically it.